Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Fotor on iPhone. Fotor is a powerful photo editing and design app available for both devices. Whether you're a casual user looking to enhance your selfies, content creator designing social media graphics, or someone who enjoys experimenting with creative effects, Fotor offers an intuitive all-in-one platform. So first what you can do is open to your Fotor app and make sure you already have signed into your account. And after that, over here you can also explore the home page and tap on the edit AI video or AI photo as well. You can go to this editing here and select one of the photo and you'll get into this editing timeline. Here you can edit your photo. You can simply reshort it on the bottom. You can also go to the filters. You can select the filters here. You can find tons of filters options for yourself, and after that you can you can tap on your check mark in the bottom right. Over here you can also adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, and the color balance over here, and you can find all of these icons. You can use it for your editing phase, for your editing photo as well. And after you're done with your editing, what you can do is you can tap on the save in the top right corner, and that is it. Your photo will be automatically saved in your gallery as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.